All right, so I picked up this lawn and garden 12-volt battery at Walmart for $40. It was $15 for the. Comes with a full charge, and I'm going to see if I can boil 2 cups of water. I've got this heating coil. It's DC powered, and I've tested it inside the car. I know that it heats up fairly quickly. Within a minute, I was able to get some water to boil. And then I've got this that will connect to the battery. There's the female DC plug. This thing was $7 at Canadian Tire and about same price, $7 on Amazon. And then this little DC hot water coil I picked up for $3 off of Amazon.ca. I'll post links to all these items down below in the video if this works, and if not, I'll. It might just be a problem with this battery. I couldn't tell how many amp hours it has, so we'll give it a try and see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to connect the red, which is positive, first to the terminal. So the red is connected. Then I'm going to do the negative second. Okay, so those are both connected, and I'm going to now plug the little heating coil into that. I'm just going to put the camera down for a second while I do this. All right, so I've connected that in, and I'm going to add that in and see if we can. Okay, it's 135, and this is the coil is already starting to heat up. So it does look like it's drawing 10 amps at least off of this little setup. There's the connection. That's good connection there. And I'll lift that up and put it down, see if you can hear. See, there's bubbles forming on that heater already. Might not get as hot as it did in the car. That water's already getting warm, and that's 1 minute in. So we'll see how long it takes. So I don't know if you can see that. There's bubbles forming on the metal as that water is heating up. And there's actually steam forming on the Pyrex. And that's 1:38, so 3 minutes, and we'll let it keep going. I should have thought of this a little sooner, but put this in here. I'm getting a reading of about 78 degrees, and it's slowly rising. I should have put that in there right off the bat, so I'll have to do another one of these videos, but oh, that's getting really warm. So we'll see if we can get this to 100 degrees. We're about 3 minutes in, 4 minutes in now. Okay, this water's rising quickly now. We're up to 83, and there's still bubbles forming on that. Now the thing is, I don't know how long we're going to get off of this battery, so it's we're going to get this to 100 degrees. Probably in about a total of 5 minutes. Okay, we're 8 minutes in, and the water heater still heating up the water, and we're closing in on 100 degrees. We're at about 90, 89, about 95 degrees right now. So that's great. It's gone up 20 degrees in about 8 minutes. So I can just scale this up. I can heat some pretty large quantities of water. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's our 10-minute test. We're at 100 right now, and it's continuing to heat. I don't know when it'll start to, there's bubbles forming on there. Some more. So that's 2 cups of water from about 75 to 100, over 100 now, in 10 minutes on this little 12-volt battery. So I guess I'm going to keep that battery and run some other tests with some other DC devices that I have. So awesome. It's 43 Celsius. So that's pretty cool. I just need to get a bigger battery and a larger heating coil, and we're going to try some larger quantities of water. Okay, so this is going to go right off our thermometer, which goes up to 130 Fahrenheit, and I think it might start melting the plastic there, but that's great. That little heater, which was $3, I'll post a link to the one I ordered off of Amazon, and literally 15 minutes to go from 75 up to almost 130 degrees Fahrenheit. There's the little connection and the battery that I picked up at Walmart for 40 bucks. So I'm gonna go put some of that, pour that water in the pool, and come up with some sort of a flotation device for this thing to heat up a little bit of the pool. Maybe, yeah, that's starting to bubble there. We're almost. Anyways, awesome. So that's our hot water. It's half a liter, and I'm gonna add that to the so we just need a little bit more to fill up the pool. We're gonna make this work.